Ready to unlock a world of seamless communication with Telnyx? This is the fastest way to set up your Telnyx account and get started. First, head over to the Telnyx website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard here. You'll find a summary of your account. Navigate to the billing section and add your preferred payment method so you can purchase phone numbers or fund your account. Now, let's get a phone number. Go to the phone numbers section and select search numbers. Choose your desired country, area code, and number type, then purchase the number. Next, set up a messaging profile. Head to messaging and then messaging profiles. Configure parameters like geographic permissions, features, and webhooks to define how you want to handle incoming and outgoing messages. To manage calls, create a call control application by navigating to call control and selecting applications. Configure your application settings, including inbound and outbound voice profiles, ensuring seamless call routing and handling. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Telnyx account. For further assistance, explore Telnyx's extensive documentation or reach out to their support team. You're now ready to use Telnyx.